things in her spare time, but just wears thongs to work. She owns a meth-lab and a rabbit and a partner and a shotgun she calls Jerk. Her veins run with gasoline, her clam is as hard as a flint. She dances every night on the bar of the Titty Twister. She calls her left boob Johnny and her right arm she calls sister. Never makes it to the paper winning cause she sets it all on fire. She stood above the altar and then called the priest a lie. It's white trash dwelling. It is white trash dwelling. Play it trash. She's a sweetheart, but to lose faith on affection. Like a wildfire, it spreads that you can't get an erection. Many people separate and many people are left in shame. All of her children are put up for adoption. Cause raising them by yourself was never